What are you about to get? From who? Well, it's from Granny, you're right. Okay, Daddy's gonna give you the surprise from Granny.
Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? You wanna know? I don't know. Are you ready? Are you so excited? These are envelopes, okay?
Oh, why envelopes?
Because
Why am I always on the wrong side of the action?
another Viewmaster! With classic pictures. Look inside, but look at the light, okay? Look toward the light. Let me open this up.
Move your fingers so they're not in the way.
So look inside and then pull the handle.
Don't put your fingers in front of the lenses. There.
Look toward
No,
the
hold
light.
it. You hold it.
Look toward the light, like look at the ceiling. So you can see it better.
Do you see? What do you see?
I don't know.
Let me see if it's right. Ooh, it's the Grand Canyon. Do you know about the Grand Canyon?
It's from the Einsteins.
Yes, there is a Grand Canyon. Okay.
Wait, Daddy, I'll help you.
Let's see. What do we want to look at next?
I don't know.
Would you like to see a circus?
A circus? Is that cool? Do a little dance if you like it.
Whoa!
Whoa!
This is Ringling Brother and Barnum and Bailey.
Move your hand from in front of the eye things,
Don't touch there. Hold it right there.
or you're gonna block your light.
There you go. Now look inside.
What's that?
I'm not sure. Let's find out.
Was it something cool?
It's hard to see, huh? Look right here. Look, point it right there.
It might be better at his new Viewmaster too. Like that Viewmaster might be.
Look right there. Look inside. Look.
Look, bug.
Okay, it's not a bug, but look there. Look here. It's ladies.
Ow.
Now watch. Let's flip it one more time. It's horses. Point it right up there so you can see it better. Let's look at the next one. What was it?
It was,
Oh, ra-cha-cha.
what was a ta? It was a ta.
Ah.
What was ta?
It's a lady in a swimsuit. She's a glamour girl.
Go out.
Here's
Okay, say thank you, Dad. Say thank you, Granny.
Bunny.
Look at the camera and say thank you.
See, look at the camera.
Up here. Look up here.
Thank you, Granny.
Thank you, Bunny.